Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if your external mic is not working in your laptop or desktop. In this video, I will show you some troubleshooting step to fix this issue. So the first step you can try is right click on your sound icon, then click on this option, sounds. Now you will see this kind of window. Click on the second tab, recording, and here you can see this is my external mic, Razer Mini, and this is my inbuilt mic in my laptop. So make sure this option is selected here. Your external mic is selected here. Now right click on your external mic, then click on properties. Now click on the third tab, levels, and if your mic is disabled from here like this, as you can see the red icon, so the mic is currently disabled. So make sure your mic is enabled, okay, like this. And you can also adjust the volume of your mic from here. So this is your first step. Now move on to our second troubleshooting step. Again, right click on your sound icon, then click on the first option, open sound settings. Now scroll down and here you will see the option input and choose your input device. So this is my inbuilt mic driver and this is my external mic. So make sure you select your external mic, okay, like this. Now click on this option, device properties, and here you can also check your mic as well. So if I click on this option, start test. Now if I check my mic, hello, hello, hello. So here you can see the levels, okay. Now go back. After that, scroll down and you will see this option here, test your mic, and this is the option we need, manage sound devices. Click on it. Now these are the two mic I have. This is my external mic, Razer, and this is my inbuilt mic. So if I click on this option, microphone, and if this option is disabled from here like this, so now you can see my external mic is currently disabled. To enable, click on it and click on enable. So now both the mics are enabled. So make sure your external mic is enabled from here. Now click on go back. Now scroll down and you will see this option, advanced sound options. Click on this option, app volume and device preference. Now click on reset. So this will reset your sound settings. Click on reset. That's it. Now go back. So these are the two steps you can apply to fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.